Alright, I'm here at Seagull Villas, just outside unit number 7. This is a super cool townhouse. It's been completely gutted and renovated. It's absolutely gorgeous. Alright, so when I walk in, you can see they've got wainscoting added. Beautiful flooring. When I first come in, off to my left, there's a full bathroom. Obviously everything completely updated and upgraded. Nice tiled shower. Air handler. Washer and dryer. A little bit of understair storage. Kitchen's been completely gutted. All the cabinetry is newer. Stainless steel appliances. View from the undermounted sink here. There's your view looking out to the beach. Just an awesome view. Alright, I'll keep going. Living room is nice and big. You got room for bar stools against there. Kitchen table. Nice couches. TV mounted above the fireplace. I'll take you outside real quick. Huge deck. Nice 4-top table right there. It sits really high. As I walk out on the deck, they've got the walk over to the beach right there, so you can walk down your stairs right there. Here's the beach. Just walk right off your back deck right to the beach. Super, super cool. Alright, get back in there. And then going upstairs. Oh, there is another closet right here, just at the bottom of the stairwell. And heading upstairs. Got really high ceilings, nice crown molding. Again, wainscoting, it's beautiful. This is the master bedroom, which is also obviously Gulf front. Looking out at the beach and the umbrellas. It's a king size bed. TV mounted on the wall. Nice furniture. Master bathroom is great. Double vanity. Big soaker tub. And shower nozzle right there. And going into bedroom number 2. Again, just great flooring. Real nice furniture. Spacious. It just feels really comfortable in here. And then this is full bathroom number 3, because you got the full bathroom downstairs. 2 full bathrooms up here, all tiled surround and glass doors. Just a beautiful townhouse here right on the beach. Gulf front townhouse, Seagull Villas number 7.